Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. This week, we are focusing on a significant strategic shift in the region's largest market, Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, is accelerating its push for the domestic manufacturing of medical devices. This is a pivotal change for any medtech company operating in or considering the MENA region. This initiative is a core component of the ambitious Saudi Vision 2030, aiming to diversify the economy beyond oil and establish the kingdom as a regional healthcare hub. So what is happening on the ground? The SFDA has recently advanced several new guidance documents. These are not just minor updates. They are designed to create a clear and favorable pathway for companies that manufacture medical devices within Saudi Arabia. A key detail in these new regulations is the strong alignment with global standards, specifically ISO 13485 for quality management systems. This signals that while Saudi Arabia wants local production, it demands global quality. This is not about lowering the bar, but about building a world-class manufacturing ecosystem from the ground up. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Think about a successful European company that sells advanced wound care products. For years, their business model has been straightforward. They manufacture in Germany and export to a distributor in Saudi Arabia. Now, the landscape is changing. They are seeing new local competitors, possibly supported by government incentives, entering the market. Government tenders are starting to show a preference for locally produced goods. This company now faces a critical decision. Do they continue as before and risk losing market share? Or do they explore setting up a local manufacturing or packaging facility? This involves complex questions. What are the true costs of establishing a plant in Riyadh or Jeddah? How do they navigate the local talent pool and supply chain? Most importantly, how do they ensure their new facility meets both SFDA regulations and their own global quality standards? This is a strategic challenge that requires deep regulatory and operational intelligence. The SFDA is essentially changing the rules of the game from being just an importer's market to a creator's market. Companies that adapt to this new reality will likely dominate the next decade of growth in the Saudi medtech space. This shift emphasizes the need for a robust regulatory strategy that goes beyond simple registration and considers the entire lifecycle of the product within the kingdom. For companies looking to understand and navigate these transformative changes, having a partner with on-the-ground expertise is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. To explore your market access strategy for Saudi Arabia and the broader MENA region, you can email or visit Chen-Global.